He's a sweaty ghost.
I got 6 marshmallows in the microwave, and we are going to cook them. Let's try 2 minutes, see what happens.
You're gonna explode. 6 of them together you can't do?
It's never been done before.
Are you supposed to do like one at a time?
What?
Oh boy, that's...
We shall see.
Nice, Dad. Right before a hurricane.
It's gonna be a hurricane marshmallows. There they go.
It would be cool if they explode, though.
No.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
It's a lot of cleanup.
For you, not me. I'd have nothing to do with this.
Now what we're gonna do is after we take them out,
Oh, they got pink.
yeah, we are going to throw them into the freezer.
If they don't explode.
That's if they don't explode. Look at the size of those.
Is there a chance they might explode?
Nah.
Have you ever seen them explode?
Yeah, well, okay, these are getting pretty big.
Oh, keep them in there. Oh my goodness.
That's what the
Oh,
marshmallows.
they're shrinking?
Yeah, they shrink down, but we're gonna blow them back up and then put them into the freezer.
It would have exploded if you kept them longer 55 seconds.
The size of those marshmallows. Okay, I'm gonna stick these in the freezer. Okay, so the marshmallows have been microwaved and then frozen. And you just peel them off and you eat them.
Robbie! Rap battle! Rap battle! Rap battle? Robbie, that's the wrong rap.